How to increase touch sensitivity on Android. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily increase your touch sensitivity on your Android device. Let's just get started. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open up your settings. Once on your settings, you can scroll down and find your display settings. Tap on display. Now, sometimes what happens is when you use screen protectors on your device, your touches might not registered. So that might be causing touch issues on your device. So in that case, phones nowadays provide you with this option to increase touch sensitivity of your screen while using screen protectors. So tap on this toggle on touch sensitivity and you should be able to increase your touch sensitivity significantly than before. So that is basically it, guys. That's how you can increase your touch sensitivity on your Android device. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.